call of my life. You break the line, I'm falling for you. You're stuck in my mind, just all the time. I'm falling for you.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you all how I made this frill collar top from H&M. So firstly, I'm going to trace out the pattern piece by using my old shirt. Whenever we do the tracing, it is important that we keep about half an inch for the seam allowance. On the center of the pattern, I have added 2 inches extra measurement. This is for the buttons and the buttonholes. For my neckline, I marked it at 8-inch deep. And by the way, the neckline will depend, of course, on your body size and type. After cutting out the pattern, remove that 2-inch extra from the back pattern because back will not have any buttons. So after tracing out the first pattern of the sleeve, I'm going to cut it out and make another pattern which will be a little larger than the first pattern. To create the final sleeve pattern, I'm going to cut open the upper portion of the sleeve and then spread it for about 1 inch, which will give me enough fabric to make gatherings on the sleeve. After my pattern is ready, I'm going to cut out the pieces from the main fabric. For the sleeve, I'm going to create gathering on the shoulder portion and the cuff portion of the sleeve.
To mess up a good thing. Another night ruined, I don't even know when we became this way. Now you're acting so different than when we had it easy. Now you don't believe me when I say.
To make the cuff of the sleeve, measure your cuff size and cut it according to the measurement, leaving 1 inch for the seam allowance. So my cuffs are done now. I have to attach it to the sleeve. Before stitching the cuff, I'm going to hem the edge of upper and lower placket sleeve. After that, I made gathering to the sleeve ends and then attach the cuff to the sleeve. To make the collar, fold the neck of the shirt in half and place it to the folded fabric. From the outline, draw another line outside with 3 inches. So my width of the collar will be 3 inch. Make 2 pieces like this. For the frill of the collar, cut long strips of fabric of 2 inches width, then hem one edge of the strap. Make gathering on the straps, then sandwich it between the 2 collar pieces and then stitch it down.
to like, share and subscribe my channel.